Now to the coronavirus pandemic in Maryland. The state records 970 new cases in the last 24 hours, the most this week. However, the percent of people testing positive continues to drop. But a war of words is brewing between Governor Hogan and Baltimore Mayor Scott. They're facing off over vaccines in the city and if Baltimore is getting its fair share. Mayor Scott wants vaccines at the new M&T Bank Stadium mass vaccination site be reserved for high-risk residents, but the governor has not committed to that. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at City Hall with that controversy. Mike.
Vic, we know the lack of supply has been frustrating across the state and across the nation. Clearly, both leaders have struck a nerve with each other.
The governor and Baltimore's mayor are clashing over vaccine. The controversy started Monday when Mayor Scott demanded the governor reserve some doses at the two state-run mass vaccination sites in Baltimore for city residents.
Half of the sites, the doses that are given at those sites, should go to the folks in the jurisdiction.
Things escalated after WJZ questioned Hogan on the issue at the opening of the new M&T Bank Stadium vaccination site.
Mayor Scott had said that he would like a certain percentage of vaccines at this site reserved for city residents. Is that feasible?
While Hogan said he would work to help the city, this part of his response outraged Mayor Scott.
Baltimore City had gotten far more than they really were entitled to.
In a statement to WJZ, the mayor wrote, "Baltimoreans are Marylanders too. They are both entitled to and deserve the vaccine." He criticized the state for failing to provide an equitable share of vaccine to city residents and for what he called a broken appointment system. Week after week, the governor has refused to share where the state is allocating doses in Baltimore City. Hogan's new comments.
The mayor made several comments for like a solid week about Baltimore City wasn't getting enough vaccines, and that was just false. He apparently doesn't have the information. Baltimore City did get far more than their allocation would be based on population.
I did not like them, Sam, I am.
The dust-up took attention from Hogan's Eastern Shore school tour, where he even donned a hat to read Dr. Seuss to students. After the governor demanded schools open by March, most have some plans for limited in-person instruction to start Monday.
A little more than 7% of people in Maryland have been fully vaccinated. Around 13% have gotten at least one shot. There is still a lot more work to do. Reporting live at Baltimore City Hall, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Mike, thank you. Baltimore County Executive Johnny Olszewski announces today that the county will schedule and cover the cost of Uber rides for residents who don't have other transportation options to ensure they can travel to get a vaccine. In addition, the Department of Health will deploy mobile units to administer vaccines to people who can't leave their homes. WJZ is breaking down information for you county by county. Download our app to find out how and when you can get and sign up for the COVID-19 vaccine in your area.